to fulfill. I've already like pre-counted all of the stickers in the order, but I still have things to do to them before they're ready to go. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of show you all the behind the scenes. This week I'm also still doing the 100-day challenge. Today is day 12 and hopefully I will get to it tonight. But during the day, I basically need to create all the cards that were in the order from start to finish. So I print them, I score them, I cut them, I fold them, I pair them with their envelopes, I put them in their sleeves. And the only time we ever use a sleeve is when it is a wholesale order because it's going to be out in a shop and we want it protected from all the fingers. So I have to do all of that. And then I potentially think we could also like get it sent out today, which would be a super fast turnaround, which would be really nice because we don't have a ton of wholesale shops yet. And we obviously want to make really great relationships with all of the ones that we do have. And we're just so thankful to have. And I'm really excited about this one. So that is kind of what is on the plate today. I have to do all that. I also need to do some packaging research. I need to order a new sticker. And like I said, I still need to do the day 12 of the 100-day challenge. I was late to posting yesterday's. I actually posted it this morning because our internet was weird last night, so I didn't get a chance to. But it's been posted, and actually that design is what I'm going to order as a sticker today. And my hopes is that it'll be here hopefully in time for Earth Day because it is very Earth oriented. But like it doesn't have to be here for Earth Day. It's okay. The Earth is always important and every day shall be Earth Day in my mind. And I'm also going to start planning maybe something for World Ocean Day, which is in June, which I know is pretty far out. But on top of all of that, we also have our 1-year anniversary of the shop being open next week. So I would really like to also plan something around that. I don't think it'll be like a new product launch or anything, but maybe a sale and maybe I could do some freebie stickers or something. I don't know. We'll have to see. Hello, friends. I totally did not film when I shipped off the last order because I went into the post office and there was a really long line, so I ended up using the machine and getting out of there. So I didn't film. So sorry about that. But that has been shipped off, delivered, and everything, and I'm super excited about it. The store that it was going to is actually like it has its own YouTube channel, so I will link it down below. Plus, I believe it's having its grand opening this month. So really fun, exciting. Now today it is Saturday and I have a lot to do. I need to catch up on my art challenge that I was doing. I did a whole bunch of art yesterday for it, but I didn't like complete it. So I need to remind myself that I told myself that I didn't have to create a finished piece. Even if it was just creating some in that day, it would still count. So I kind of need to gather that, post that, not information, but post that on Instagram and YouTube Shorts and all of that jazz. But this morning we had another large wholesale order come in, so that is what I'm also tackling today because it's actually sunshiny and I never get to pack wholesale orders when it's actually pretty out, so I wanted to do that so I could like film the process again and have much better lighting. But I'm really excited. We don't have our products in any stores in this city until now, so I'm really excited. The package that I'm working on today is going to St. Petersburg, Florida. I should specify Florida, which is really exciting. And I get to print out some cards that haven't been sent off to any stores yet. And then one is definitely like our best selling card, and our best selling card that I was just talking about is this one. It is a very Florida inspired card that says beachy, inspired by the Florida license plate. And then it also has like the Florida thing on the back, which I also love, but I need to print off a bunch of these. I need to finish sorting out the stickers and just a whole bunch of things. So I thought I would take you along again for another wholesale packing order journey. And I also ordered stickers today. So I had to restock a sticker. And then I ordered this little license plate thing as a sticker, which I'm pretty excited about. I think it'll do well. I hope that people will like it because this card is very popular. So I thought it'd be like really fun to gift together. And I also already have the oranges. So I might do like a combination of the state and the oranges together sometime as a sticker. We will see. And maybe I'll let Instagram decide. So let's officially go get busy. Okay, all of the cards are cut, folded, paired, packed, and now I thought it'd be fun, instead of like showing you every little step of all of that, I am going to show some, but I thought I would show you the different designs that this retailer purchased. Okay, so first up we have our Florida card. We have a major Florida theme in this order. It's heading to St. Petersburg, so that makes sense. We have this one. We have our Florida license plate card, which I think I talked about earlier. It's definitely one of our most popular cards in the terms of wholesale. Most of our wholesale orders have included this card, so that's cool. Then we have one of our newer cards, a little good luck one, very beachy. I like this one a lot. And then the last one I'm really excited about. So this is an illustration that I did last year. I think I posted a Instagram reel on it. This is the Don Cesar Hotel in St. Petersburg, Florida, and it tells you that on the back. So I'm excited that this is actually going into a shop in the same area that this illustration is based off of. So that will be like a really fun little thing to pick up if you were visiting the area. So there is a look at the cards, 6 of each of these cards. They're all made and piled up in another room. I thought I would show you what stickers they selected. So I really like their selection of stickers because they feature some of my favorites. This is our Rosette Spoonbill sticker, which is a newer one, and I really love this one. It does have a clear background, so where you see white here, it would actually be clear when you peel it off. Also, all of our stickers have a cracked back, which makes it much easier to actually like peel them off of their backing. That one. Then we have our surf fin, which I'm pretty sure I featured in another YouTube video. But I love, love, love this one for so many reasons. But again, where you see white out here, it would be clear, but then you get the surf fin. And I actually need to give myself one of these to put on my water bottle because I love it so much, but I've not given myself one. And then the last one, this one was also, I believe, in the order from earlier this week, and this is our Sunshine State sticker. So all of the places that you see white like around the illustrations is clear. I don't think I have my water bottle that it's on up here, but the sticker was there, and it was also in the order, which I also really like because I mean it does really symbolize Florida in so many ways. So I'm really excited to see this selection of items head out. Hi guys, it is Monday and it is the day that I go and take weekend orders. So as you guys saw, I had a wholesale order that I fulfilled this weekend. So I have everything like all laid out and ready to go on my desk. So I need to sort out what box I'm putting it in, package that up. I have an order for Etsy that also needs to go out. So I need to get all those ready so after lunch I can go to the post office, drop those off, and then I have to come home and work on getting things ready for Wednesday because Wednesday is our 1-year anniversary of my shop being open. So I'm gonna run a little bit of a sale, launch a few new things, and I wanted to launch more than just one thing, but I don't think it's gonna be here in time, so there may be like a weekend release. But the sale's gonna go all weekend, so there's that. So yeah, I basically started my day, had my coffee, made my like mental to-do list, went for a walk, took a shower, got ready, made a drink, and I'm gonna drink that and now like figure out packaging. Okay, so the order that I have to work on for Etsy this morning includes 2 bracelets. I love their pips, so I thought I would show you. So here is a conch shell top. Actually, they're both conch shell tops. They're just different shades. And I love these bracelets. So these will be heading to Minnesota. Fun fact, I actually wear one 24/7. You've probably seen it in my videos. My watch band looks gross, but I wear this conch shell top every day. And I've been wearing it every day since like last summer. Same with the calico. So these bracelets are great. You can wear them 24/7. You can wear them in the shower. They are perfectly water friendly, which I love. I'm just gonna get this on the backing card, pack this up to ensure that these get there in one piece, which honestly with a conch shell, they're so strong that it's not usually a major worry, but I do use secondhand used bubble wrap that is, like I said, it's secondhand. I've actually like received it in packages. So rather than, you know, putting it in the trash or sending it directly to recycle, I'm actually going to reuse it so it gets multiple uses before it heads to the recycle. And then it is recyclable. But if I ever run out of that, I will switch gears and try to find a paper one, that really cool paper stuff that it's like you stretch it out and it kind of turns into like a bubble wrap sort of situation. So just gotta get these tight on there. It's a little bit tighter. And that's the other cool thing about these bracelets is that they're adjustable. So that's nice. And I think that looks good. So now I just need to get them protected, wrapped up, and ready to send out. Here's a peek at me packing on the anniversary day sale. So first thing in that morning that the sale went live, we actually did get a few sales like right as it all went live, which was really great because sometimes that doesn't happen. Sometimes it takes a while, but this time, like when the sale went live and I started posting about it, we actually saw some sales come in. So we have a really quick turnaround. So I actually got like started on the orders soon as they were placed. So I got started printing, laying things out, packing them, and took them actually to the post office in the same day. So that's pretty great turnaround, even though we are just a small business and I'm one person and I also have my mom that helps me out, but we try to be as quick as we can and do everything like thoughtfully, and I was just really thankful and excited for these few orders on the day of the sale. A few more came in over the course of the week as we let the sale actually happen until like that following Sunday. But the day after the actual anniversary sale, we spent that day as kind of like our celebration day. And went to our favorite coffee shop along the beach, took some beachy reference pictures, and kind of just like celebrated having been open for 1 year. So here is some footage from that, and that's officially it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!